Now let me give you some examples. Like we were having two groups, he, she, name, it singular, and I, we, you, they. So I'm going to give you some example related to the first category and the second category. As far as the example of the first category, where we have nouns or pronoun like he, she, name, it singular. For example, you say she writes a letter. Now keep this in your mind. I have already told you that this is called affirmative sentence. This is called positive sentence. This is called declarative sentence. So you can see the basic structure has been followed: subject, verb, and object. Now, in order to make this into negative sentence, I have told you that you need to use does with he, she, name, it. So she does not, and once you use does, you need to use the base form or the first form, that is called write. So she doesn't write a letter. This is called negative sentence. Then जिसको नफी बोलते हैं. Third is does she write a letter? This is called interrogative sentence. This is called interrogative sentence. And then does she not write a letter? This is called negative question. Why it is called negative question? It is called negative question because it has the qualities of question as well as that you are saying that something is not so. So this is called negative question. And this is the positive answer. When someone is asking something, negative question, so you need to answer. If your answer, you want to say yes, then you will say she writes. And if you want to say in negative, then you will say she doesn't. Why I have used this contraction? Because mostly whenever question is put by someone and you answer, we use the contracted form. This is called contraction. And what do we mean by contraction? Contraction to shorten something. To shorten something. So you contract your eyes when you there is a fly that is coming toward your eye, and when you have very sunny day and you have scorching heat and the sun rays are coming directly, then again you contract your eyes in order to protect your eyes. So same is the case, that in spoken form you need to use contracted form. Native speakers, they do not say complete form when they speak something, but in writing, when you are writing something formally, you don't need to use contracted form. But if informally you are writing a letter to someone, you can use contracted form. So the contracted form of she does not will be she doesn't, and then you can say no, she doesn't. So this was the example of the first category, like he, she, name, it, and singular. Let me give you example of the second category, that is I, we, you, they. So for example, we have a sentence: we play cricket. So you can see here, first person we is used, and this is subject. We have verb of action play, and we have object. So the basic structure has been followed. In order to change this into negative, I have told you that with I, we, you, they, and plural, you need to use do. We do not play cricket. In order to make interrogative sentence, do we play cricket and question mark. Keep this in your mind that punctuations, they play an important role. Specifically when you are writing academic writing. In academic writing, punctuations are very important. So sentence, what is sentence? I have already told you in the previous class that combination of words giving complete meaning, complete sense. And once you use full stop, it means that you have a complete sentence. This is called, in spoken form, this is called period, a full stop, or whatsoever is the case. And then when you want to use interrogative sentence, then you need to use question mark. And sometimes you have confusion that whether it is interrogative sentence or what. So keep this in your mind that this is called subject verb inversion. When you change the order, you use something else instead of subject. I, we, you, they, you use have, is, am, are before the noun or the subject. It means that you have done subject verb inversion. Inversion क्या बोलते हैं, किसको बोलते हैं? आप उसकी पोजीशन को उलट कर देते हो. He plays cricket, does he play cricket? So आपने देखो पहले does लिख दिए, then you have used he. So whenever you have such type of situation, understand this thing that this is called interrogative sentence, and this subject verb inversion is the feature of interrogative sentences. So in order to make negative question, do we not play cricket? Okay, so keep this in your mind that this is whenever you are writing formal English, you are writing essay, you are writing something that is academic writing, so you need to use do we not play cricket. But if you are speaking with someone, whether native speakers or non-native speaker, then you need to use contracted form, that is don't we play cricket. Don't we play cricket. So what I mean to say, that in formal writing, in the process of writing, you need to use this form, but when you want to in conversation, you have in spoken form you need to use this form. And in order to answer yes we play and no we don't play, answer is mostly in short form. Short form means that you don't need to say, you can say, just say yes or no. But in order to make you understand that how to answer properly, so I have written yes we play, we don't play. There is no need to write complete sentence, yes we play cricket, no we don't play cricket, because answers are mostly in short